This is Stella, little doggy. This is her little friend kitty cat. And the other one is somewhere in that bush. Hiding. And there's Stella. The cute little puppy. Oh, there's the other one. Stella, go attack him. She likes attacking them. Watch, watch, watch. There comes Stella. Here she comes. Here she comes. There she goes. She's so cute. The cat's running away while she can. And here's this little Stella. Stella! Ah! Sit! What is she eating? Bread. Sorry, I had to take this away. Here, Stella. Cute little Stella. Here, come here, Stella. Oh, there's too much time. Hold on. Come here, Stella.
You should put that puppy on her.
Stella.
Okay.
Come here. Come here. Oh, there's her friend. There's her little friend. Stella, her friend, and Alexis. Stella, come here. Can you oh, look, there's a kitty cat. No, I'm taking a video.
Oh, okay.
There's Stella and Alexis. And look, there's a kitty cat in the background. Sneaking around. Right over there.
That's Stella's brother.
Stella. Stella.
Here.
Here.
Woo, woo, woo. Oh.
Yeah. I don't know. Here, let's do it. Alexis, take that away from her now. Open. Stella, bad Stella.
Ah, she's falling. Stale bread.
That's gross. Okay. I'm gonna go see if I can find the kitty cat. There he is. He's on the move. He's on the move. Come here. Come here, little kitty. Little kitty from the pound. Come here, kitty. I am really not gonna see animals. Kitty cat.
They love noises.
I thought cats hated noise. Look at Stella. She's so cute. She's so cute. Don't do that. Now walk. Stella, it's a cute little puppy. Stella. Here comes Mr. Kitty Cat. Stella, come here. Oh, look. Alexis, stop her from eating. There's a kitty cat. And there's Alexis trying to take the bread away from her. There's kitty cat sneaking by while she can. Stella, bad Stella. Ooh, okay, here, put Stella on my lap. Okay. Here, we want to get a shot of you and Stella. Hi. She has a pink hair now. Oh, I had to back up.
Don't click. We're on a video. Sorry, Rachel. I'm good.
But isn't she the cutest little thing? Watch this. Stop. No. Whoop.
Oh, look, look, look. Look at this, look at this.
It's a gangbang. Look at this, look at this. It's a gangbang of kitty cats. Little kitty cats.
Gangbang.
Kitty cats.
No? Bunny? Huh? Bunny, huh?
Okay. Well, Stella was our main person. Here's a sneaky kitty cat. The only point of this video was to try to get Stella and her kitty cat to wrestle, but they won't do that anymore. So I'm going to go play with them. So